Hey guys, so check this thing out. I trash picked it. No, I'm not even gonna say I trash picked it. I found it on the ground. It was a lot, super heavy. And I looked it up and it's like an antique piece to it, like a tractor or something. I don't know. And now I'm holding it. I'm gonna use it as my microphone stand. So I wanted to do this. I got these paints and I wanted to show them to you. They're called Colors, and this came with it. It's part of the plaid. I was like, I recognize that. I recognize that. Where'd that come from? And it's on like everything. Like, look at this. It's right there, plaid. It's on like so many things. That's kind of, I don't know, I want to call it cheap, but I wanted to show you these paints, and they're really, really pretty. No. Okay, wait a second. We'll go one by one. Blue Heaven. Pretty. This one, Sunbright Yellow. Sunbright Yellow. This is Light Ivory. This one's Surfboard. Calypso Coral. Okay, maybe I'll put it like that when I do it there. Rosy Beige. Pale Yellow. I got a whole bunch in this box. Let me just pull them all out. I'm getting to the good colors. Hold on. Well, I guess they're all good colors. Okay, here we go. GP Purple. Salmon. Hydrangea Pink. White. Black. Palmetto. Turquoise. Lime Sorbet. This one doesn't have a blank spot. I wonder if that was just comes from a different kit. These look a little different. Cream of color. Oh, Lisa Pink. Look at, oh, that's weird. I wonder if maybe it's just from a different kit. This one's Wedgwood Green and Lake. So, I think that I'm going to pull them up a little bit. Let's see. And what I'm going to do, you know what? I'll do it this way. What I'm going to do. Oh, sorry, I bumped into the camera. I'm going to. Okay, I got water here, and I'll just take. I'm going to use this one. Yeah, I use this one. Okay, this color is the Lime Sorbet. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, yeah, it's a very pretty color. Look at that. Look how pretty that looks. All right, and then when I'm done, I'm going to put it in this box. Okay? Let's see. This one is Lake. It's got some pretty colors in it. Oh, yeah. I'll put it like this. All right. You know my voice is loud. So it's Rosy Beige. You just bring the water a little closer. So they're from a kit, Cream Color, Ceramcolor. That's the word. I don't know what this word is. Ceramcoat. Okay. And they're from Delta. This one is Calypso Coral. They're really a pretty color, you know? They're very pale. Like a light pale. I just want to see how they dry also. This one's the Wedgwood Green. Try not to mix it. I'm like just putting it next to each other. See, I didn't want to take the plastic to get these plastic off. It's always a pain in the butt. It's like it takes forever. They seem like they're like already mixed. Like that one looks. Look at that. That one has like a chunk in it or something in the beginning. Oops. I didn't like that at all. Oh, okay. There we go. Yeah, it's got a little. So I got these from off Amazon. I think I paid about. Oh, you know what? I don't know how much I paid for them. I'm going to look it up when I'm done the video, and I'll put the price in the description. This one is Blue Heaven. You know what they kind of remind me of? That watercolor gel. The gel watercolor kits I got. Sun Bright Yellow. Okay. It's over here. Put a little bit too much on there. Alright. It's okay. I'm not hating this, but Ceramcoat. Ceramcoat. I'm sorry. White ivory. Oh, that ain't great. Okay, well, look at this. There's a. Hold on, let me get. Oh, here we go. There's a big rubber chunk that's all dried out. Okay. Here we go. I don't know. That was weird. If you can't see it, you could see the top where the hole is. It's like it was dried out all the way on there, so that ain't great. I'll put that in the water so get rid of it. Never know. I'm gonna go through every one of these. So the rest of them, see, that didn't happen at all. I don't know why that would happen, but that was the surfboard. Sorry, this was palmetto color. I'm kind of bothered that happened. But the colors so far are pretty strong. Or what's the color? The word I want to use. They're not see-through. So GP purple. They're very strong. Like it looks like if you wanted to paint something with these you wouldn't need more than one. Like that color right there looks a little watery, or a little weak. But the rest of them are very strong. It might be because I didn't wipe the paintbrush dry and it had a little bit of water. This one is turquoise. But yeah, I mean, look how pretty the colors are themselves. That's pretty. I mean, they're very. opaque. That's the word. They're opaque, except for like again that one. But I think it might have been because of the water on the paintbrush itself. I got it dried off good. All right, Lisa Pink. All right. See, it's kind of pretty. All right. This one, salmon. Very kind of pretty. And this one is hydrangea pink. Yeah, that one's a pretty pink. That one's real pretty. Look, I'm going to show you. Let me see. I'll go through the green right here with this pink, and you'll be able to see how um, how thick it is. We go through a couple colors so you can see that you can't see through it. It's very opaque. Even the pink, this light pink. Okay, let's see. White. And so far, that's the only one that was weird. That one right there. Yep. It's very white. Let's see if we can go through. Do this over here. See? Let me see. This is dry. That's just one swipe, and you can't see through it. It's very opaque. So good. I kind of need a nice pink or a nice white pink that is opaque and not so see-through, or even the yellow. A lot of my yellows that I have, they are all not opaque. Here's the black. Look at that. Look how thick that is. And that's beautiful. Okay, that's the last color. Now, oops, I dropped the lid. Okay, so just to show you, go close to it. You see how opaque everything is? That's just shiny right there. Ooh, that one's just shiny. Yeah, yeah. See how shiny it is? Sorry, but yeah, you can see it on the white, like how opaque all the colors are. They're beautiful, right? They're beautiful colors, man. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Alrighty. Okay. So I think I'm gonna give this I'll give it 4 stars. I really like these colors. I think this brand for cheap paint, yeah. I'm trying to put it in the light over here so I can see. I can show it to you. Um, for a cheap brand, it's not too bad, you know. And again, the colors are really strange and interesting. I mean, the colors are like really, really pretty. And they're all very unique and different. So, yeah, I'll give it 4 stars out of 5. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.